Welcome to Bagong Silang and Santa Ana, Calatagan, Batangas residential lots. For sale for close property of the bank, location Bagong Silang and Santa Ana, Calatagan, Batangas. Lot area 1,942,389 square meters or 194 hectares used for residential development. Nestled in the serene landscapes of Calatagan, Batangas lies a rare investment opportunity. 194 hectares raw land, perfect for your next residential development. Located in Barangay Bagong Silang and Santa Ana, this expansive property spans 1,942,398 square meters, a prime piece of land with excellent access and stunning natural surroundings. Calatagan is fast becoming one of Batangas' most sought-after areas, surrounded by thriving beach resorts, upcoming residential estates, and modern infrastructure. From this site, you're just minutes away from Calatagan Beach, resort zones, and key highways connecting to Nasugbu and Lian. Experience breathtaking mountain views, refreshing sea breeze, and calm beauty of nature. An ideal setting for eco-living, retirement homes, or exclusive subdivisions. With its strategic location, generous land area, and scenic backdrop, this property offers limitless potential for residential or mixed-use projects designed to meet the growing demand for affordable yet luxurious living in Batangas. Discover the opportunity waiting in Bagong Silang and Santa Ana, Calatagan, Batangas. Prime location, expanding market, limitless potential.